How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining me today. We're looking at Solana. We're looking at a pretty significant drop here. A lot of market data, not just even on Solana. We're looking at Ethereum, Bitcoin, not in this video, of course, but in general, a lot of coins are feeling very bearish right now. And this tells me we could see a pretty significant drop incoming. Before we jump into the charts, I want to let you know our next Inner Circle Hangout is this Thursday, June 29th here, starting at 3 p.m. Pacific time. We'll talk about where crypto is headed and open up the call for a Q&A session with the community. If you want to join us, be sure you have that full access membership. Links are in the description below, and I'll show you exactly how to grab it. But for now, let's jump into the charts. Thanks for joining me on the TradeConfident.io website today. We're going to scroll all the way down to Solana here. The first metric we're going to take a look at once it loads here is the Solana Emotional Index. We just pushed into greedy, just barely right at the top of this price pump. And even after a drop here, we're still sitting in excited territory. Most often what this means is we're likely to see drops coming into the market, because when people are feeling excited and greedy, when retailers are really hyped, that's when the whales are going to come in and absolutely dump on the price. And I'll show you proof of that, not this chart, but the next one. Let's take a look at Solana volatility breakout detector first, though. Really interesting to me is even despite a crazy price pump, we're still seeing low volatility. I think it's because this just came out of a much bigger drop. Overall, though, what I'm seeing is a potential for a large impulse move. Whenever we're in low volatility, just take this as an example. We saw crazy moves, low volatility, crazy moves, happens over and over again. So I think we could see a pretty significant move to the either upside or downside. We just got to look at the other metrics. Remember I said whales could be dumping right here. We got to move down to the Solana whale smart money metric. There's a lot of short trade sentiment in the market recently after this price pump. We surpassed the -800 level that we're typically looking for those moves down. And while this is taking a little bit of time, I do expect a sharper drop coming soon. Next up is going to be the Solana major support and resistance chart. We're currently testing structure support at 16.01. This is pretty much exactly where the price is. In fact, I know this is a little curved, but you'll see on the live charts it's exact. From there, we have structure support right below that at 13.21. This is a major drop, and honestly, unfortunately, I think this is what we should be expecting. There's a small chance of a price pump up. I'm really not expecting it, but we should be looking at 1871 here just in case. Next up is going to be the Solana long versus short trades chart. We've just barely pushed up into long trades. Long trades are now over short trades on the long versus short trades chart. As long as we see long trades above short trades, it is likely that we're going to grow. However, it seems very easily recently that we see short trades take over and significant drops happen in the market. If short trades rise up, that's going to be a drop. If long trades drop, that's going to be a drop as well. Last but not least is the Solana daily trade scanner. We got a sell signal that has resulted in moves down so far, and personally, I do still think we're going to see continued moves down. Realistically, though, I'm just looking for a buy signal. Whenever we see a buy signal like we did here and here and here, this is where we're usually seeing moves back up in the market. So if we see a buy signal, that's where I'm anticipating the next move up. Now, if you're a Solana trader, you're going to want to be paying attention to these metrics. They are crucial. They're updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. If you want to get access to that, our 37 wins in the trade setups right here, 37 wins, 0 losses. If you want to join us for our Inner Circle live hangout here, again, it's going to be a live Zoom meeting, June 29th, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific time. Links will be posted the day of the event if you want to join us for that. If you want to get access to all those extra membership benefits, you can grab a membership at the links below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the very first link here is what you're looking for. Click that. It'll bring you to the homepage of Trade Confident. Move up to subscribe, fill out your information, and if you want to join us for that Zoom meeting, if you want to get those scalping trades, all 20 coins worth of metrics, including Solana, grab the full access for $59 a month right here. Just click choose, follow the prompts, and we're excited to trade with you soon. I will see y'all Thursday. Back on the live chart, see, I told you this 16.01 structure support was right at the edge. Straight line there, very easy to use. Thank God for TradingView. Very big fan. With that, we're seeing price versus money flow high. Interestingly, though, we're seeing trend exhaustion actually dropping out. What this tells me is we're seeing divergence. This uptrend is exhausted according to the trend exhaustion. We're seeing moves down from this point, looking for a bottom on the downtrend. However, we are not quite there, and price versus money flow is still significantly overbought, showing that whales are most likely to begin selling out of the market soon. This tells me that this right here is just retail traders. So as soon as whales begin selling out, this is going to drop like crazy. And personally, I'm looking at structure support at $13.21 for the next move down. As the price drops, we'll likely see price drop as well. As we approach that structure support, we should see trend exhaustion low right here. And when we get trend exhaustion low, price versus money flow low, we should be seeing a buy signal shortly after. When we get all three of these, that's where we're looking for the next move up in Solana. From the current price, this is looking like a pretty significant drop. I know it's a lot, but 21% 20% is absolutely possible. We very nearly saw it right here. It happens all the time on Solana. That's just kind of the nature of a low market cap coin. I know Solana has been fairly popular in the past, but it has kind of fallen from grace. Because we're so low on this chart, it looks like significant moves are in place. Now, this is not financial advice. If you're looking at a move down, what you could do is try selling 20% of your holding. If you bought right here, this is already in profit. Great. So what's going to happen is if the price drops down to this $13 level, you would buy in at that point. This now lowers your break even. This is because you're now buying even more coins because you sold up here and bought with the same amount down here. So you're going to have more coins invested the same amount. This lowers your break even, brings you into profit faster, and gives you a higher profit potential because you have more coins to trade with. Win-win either way. If the price ends up rebounding off of here, you still have 80% in the market. So it's a low risk solution. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to do this. This is just something that I have found works for me. This is just my opinions, my personal views. No financial advice here. Always consult a financial advisor before making any trades. With that in mind, though, I highly recommend using these indicators for your trades. They have been absolutely crushing it. We saw price versus well money flow high, trend exhaustion high, sell signal with that move down. Perfect call there. It happens repeatedly. Sell signal, price versus well money flow high, trend exhaustion high, sell signal, price versus well money flow high, trend exhaustion high. Both of these resulted in moves down. Over and over again, we get strong buy and a buy signal, price versus well money flow low, trend exhaustion low, moves up. So simple to use. Just wait for the signals to line up. It's really hard to miss with this. You can grab these indicators right now for up to $400 off by checking out the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more. It'll be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to the indicator page on our website. Scroll down here. I recommend the indicator bundle pack first because it includes the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow, as well as 7 other indicators for you to try out, and that $400 off coupon code for the TC top and bottom finder. That means you get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for $400 off. Absolutely incredible. If you want proof, check this out. This guy made back the cost of the indicators and the membership fee, their first month's membership fee within 1 week of being a member and trading. $950 in 1 day, $4,300 in a week, $2,100 in 3 days. Our traders are doing incredible. In order to get the best possible deal, just click the checkout link for the bundle pack. Click I want this once you reach the store page. What you're going to do from here is enter your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder automatically $349 instead of the regular $749. It'll offer you that $400 off. Click add to cart. You're now going to get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for $400 off. Make sure your information is correct. Click pay and you're good to go. Once your indicators are loaded up, again, as this price moves down, you're going to be looking for price versus well money flow low, trend exhaustion low, and a buy signal. Very likely around the $13.21 mark. Once you get all 3 of these indicators lining up, that's very likely going to be the next move up in Solana. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.